Rizal, marami pong venues yung iba-iba po yung venues ng sports.
Yes, tama, correct. So we culminated the different directories, so they can be found at our official website, milo.com.ph. So makikita nila doon. And then they can contact directly kung ano yung sport and then kung saan yung venue nila gustong mag-sign up. So they can also check there kung iba't ibang sports and then contact details, email, even Facebook and contact numbers nung sport. Tsaka kung sino yung contact person on that specific sport. So milo.com.ph po. And then you can also check yung mga official Facebook pages and yung mga numbers ng mga sports clinic partners natin. But yeah, we put together lahat ng mga yung directory, unified directory ng sports clinics.
Okay, good morning, Gapera, Sports Corner PH. Last question from my end. Yung Milo is actually supported yung iba't ibang mga organizations, lalo na yung, of course, yung Milo Marathon, yung Club Gymnastica. Magtutuloy-tuloy ba yung suporta natin sa ating mga NSAs natin to build more champions and to produce and develop more talented athletes sa inarap? Salamat!
Yes, thank you, Gab, and maganda that you asked that because it really strengthens our desire na mas palakihin pa yung grassroots development programs ng Pilipinas. So it's not just with our sports clinic partners, but again, yung iba mga key stakeholders like mga LGUs, DepEd, PSC, and POC. And this summer, nakita natin dahil most of the kids are not in school, kaya yung grassroots programs natin ay tinutuloy natin through our Milo Summer Sports Clinics with our partners na kasama natin dito. Yan, so, yeah, thank you. And siguro last one na lang, and siguro just allow me to take this opportunity na rin na we are launching our new product. You know, growing up, mahilig tayong pumapak ng ating mga Milo, no, from the sachet. Bubuksan natin, ang first thing that we do, papak, hindi na umaabot sa baso. That's why we are launching the Milo Champ Bites. You can, ito talaga yung ating Milo that we can eat straight out of the pack. So it's available already in our convenience stores, supermarkets, and it's our new favorite snack product. So ating Champ Bites, available na siya ngayon. And you're all getting a taste of it, part of ang bibigyan natin for our media partners as well. So again, on behalf of the Milo team, and thank you, Sir Randy, to all our partners of the Philippine Sports Science Association. Thank you for helping us advance our purpose of providing more access and most importantly, building champions not just in sports, but champions in life. So thank you and have a great day to everyone. Sir Randy?
Yes, maraming salamat po everyone. This has been your special session of the PSA Sports Forum. And don't forget, get your child into sports. Milo Sports Clinic. Maraming salamat.
Milo every day.